Mix the milk and sugar in a pot and place it over heat. Mix the gelatin powder with cold water and place it over steam, like a double boiler, until it becomes clear. Once the sugar dissolves, mix a portion of the warm milk with the cream to equalize their temperatures, then add this mixture back into the pot with the rest of the milk. Add the coconut powder and cook for 2 minutes. Then, add the dissolved gelatin mixture and stir continuously over low heat for 8 minutes until it thickens. Remove from heat and pour into a greased mold. Allow it to cool slightly, then refrigerate for 3 hours until firm. Mix the mango jelly powder with boiling water and stir until completely dissolved. Set aside to cool. Once cooled, add the milk and mix well. Pour this mixture over the firm coconut layer. Refrigerate for another 5 hours until completely set. Remove the dessert from the mold and garnish with coconut powder, sliced pistachios, and sliced almonds. Enjoy your dessert.